Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's solve a question based on optics. Ready? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. If the speed of light in a medium is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium? Option A. 7 by 6. Option B. 5 by 4. Option C. 4 by 3. Option D. 3 by 2. Let's find out the correct answer. Let's go through the solution step by step. Consider the visual representation. As light enters the medium, its speed decreases. Absolute refractive index n is the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to its speed in that medium. We are given the speed in vacuum, c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. And the speed in the medium, v is equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Step 1. The formula. We know that the refractive index n is equal to c by v. Step 2. Substitution. Let's substitute the given values into the formula. N is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2.25 into 10 to the power 8. Here, 10 to the power 8 is common in both numerator and denominator, so we can cancel them. N is equal to 3 divided by 2.25. Step 3. Simplification. To remove the decimal point from the denominator, multiply both top and bottom by 100. N is equal to 300 by 225. Now, let's divide both numbers by 75 to simplify. N is equal to 4 by 3. So, the refractive index of the medium is 4 by 3. Therefore, the correct option is C. Thank you. Happy learning.